Hey, have you been looking for how to build a sales funnel step by step without using Clickfunnels or Go High Level? Well, you come to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm using to build and grow my business online. And this is actually a webinar page for an upcoming webinar. So if you want to get on this webinar, make sure you click on the link below this video to get into it. You can click on the link and get in. You have to opt into this page, and it's going to actually let you in whenever we have this on Saturday, right? So income disclaimer. This is how I made my first $100,000, but average affiliates could expect to earn $347. If you do no work, you will earn nothing. So your earnings depend on you, your skill set, and your work ethic. If you do no work, you will earn nothing. So I just want to make this clear. This isn't for everybody. This is only for people who are willing to put in the work and who are willing to actually do what it takes to get results online. Right. So, this is basically a, webinar page. Here's some of the results that I got. And the way that I actually got these results is by using this funnel builder tool right here. So this funnel builder tool is a tool in itself. It's $25 per month, and you get $20 per month in residual income. Now, I did not design this page. I have a team that does this for me. So if you decide to get started with me, and you do go all in, which I will talk about the all in this video. If you do decide to do the all in with me, you get access to my team that will help you to build out amazing looking pages and also have your graphic design work done as well. You would have access to a team that can help you to do web and graphics design work also. So you don't have to learn how to actually do this yourself in this funnel builder. This funnel builder is very easy to use. It's a drag and drop builder. So basically I could take anything I want in here, and I could easily edit it. It comes in boxes. So basically if I want to edit any text, I could do that very, very easily. So you don't need Clickfunnels or Go High Level. This also comes with a appointment booking widget, so you don't need something like Calendly or anything like that. You can do everything within here. And the cool thing about this is I could easily manage people's funnels that I'm working with. So I could navigate between people's funnels, and as you can see right here, I have different products with different domains set up. So if you have different things that you want to offer as far as a digital product, or you have something else that needs a new domain, you can easily ask for a new funnel builder tool or a new funnel builder without having to be charged any additional cost. So once you have the funnel builder one time, we just add another funnel builder, and it's easy for you to actually navigate just like I'm doing right here, and you could navigate your team's funnels as well. So it makes it very easy for you to actually build whatever you want using this tool. And if you work with me, I can actually help you to get results and to be able to build out your pages with this $25 per month funnel builder tool. And I just got commissions today. I had over $1,000 in commissions today, using this tool, because I have the affiliate side right here. This is almost $700, and it pays weekly. And then right here, I also had a traffic order, so this was another $350. So you can basically create your own store. So, or you can create whatever products you have. So if you're looking to get traffic, you can also go to my traffic store, profitbuilderstraffic.com. There's a link in the description for that as well. But basically, what I'm showing you right now is actually how I'm able to get results. And basically, the funnel builder tool, when you get the $25 per month, you actually get access to the tool, and we also give you, training on how to use it. So basically, we do, training, and we have modules. So if you're trying to actually learn how to use it, we actually have the training in there on the funnel builder tool. So you learn different things on how to actually design your pages, and you get all the tools and coaching that you need to be able to get results online. In this system, we do a monthly funnel builder mastermind. So we bring people on who are getting results every single month. And if you want more support, we also have daily hands-on coaching live by Zoom, where we show people how to actually do their marketing. So once you have your funnel builder tool set up, the next thing is how do you get traffic to it, right? We have daily hands-on coaching Monday through Friday, live by Zoom, and you could come on a Zoom call. You can watch what we do over the shoulder. We do anything from ranking videos on YouTube and potentially getting them into Google, to writing emails, to being able to connect with people on social media on platforms like Facebook. Facebook is definitely my favorite platform to do marketing on. I also love to use YouTube, even though I don't think that I'm the best on video. My stats show that from video I get results, so I continue to do video, right? And as long as people are watching my content, I'm going to continue to create video, and I suggest you do the same. Even if you're not the best on video, do video anyway, right? Do it enough and fail, mess it up a bunch of times, do it so imperfectly, and just put it up, right? It doesn't matter what people think about your content. What matters is that you get it out there. You're doing this for you. You're doing this to practice your speech, to practice your video, to overcome fears, to become a better marketer in general, right? So your content is important. People need to see what you have to say. If you don't do video, people are never going to hear what you have to say. So it's very important that you put your voice out there. Your message is important, and just understand that people are looking for help. People need your help. So please, please, I encourage you to make video and do the video content anyway, and do enough to where you get comfortable and you stop caring what people think, because nobody's going to judge you for doing a video, right? For making content, for giving them value. So just remember, when you do your video, you're only looking at the lens on the camera, right? You're not looking at nothing else. There's nobody in front of you. And I encourage you to do it. Do it anyway. Create content, and always be, branded with whatever you do. So, what I could say to you is, whenever you sign up by, clicking on the link below this video, you're going to come to this page, and you're going to be able to hop into an overview where we actually show you exactly what we do hands-on, right? And if you decide to do the all-in with me, basically from the funnel builder tool, you're getting $20 per month from the $25 in residual income. So that means anybody using the tool, you're getting paid a residual income. And then if you want the coaching, there's going to be 2 weeks free of the coaching. But basically, we have the coaching and support for you. And then we show you how to actually do your marketing, right? Which is a cool thing about this. You get 2 weeks free. So you could come on, you could come in. We want to invite you in so that way you can actually get results, right? And I showed you my results. I want to see you get results as well. And tell your story as you go, right? Don't be afraid to tell your story. I want to actually help you to get these results, and I want to make the funnel building process easy for you, step by step. And when you go all in with me, you can actually get access to my traffic bonuses that I have. I have some traffic bonuses. I have some email copies, some swipes, access to my team. And also I do a custom funnel setup for you. If you're thinking about getting paid traffic, my highest opt-in rate is as high as 90% opt-in rate. And that only happened one time, but I could say that. I want to get you results, right? So I help you with all that stuff. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, no matter what business it is, make sure you click on the link below this video and put your name and your email in so you could get on this webinar. I want to see you on there. I'm happy to help you, and I don't want you to struggle anymore. I want to see you get results, and I believe that we can all make money here. There's no competition, especially when you have the tools and resources you need. So there's no reason to struggle. There's no reason to spend thousands of dollars on funnel builder tools and coaching. You don't need that stuff. There's no reason to get overwhelmed by tech issues. I'm definitely here to help you. You don't need no other systems or products when you have this tool and the coaching that we have here. You will need nothing else, and you can make a very nice residual income. You're going to get 80% residual income for the tools and the coaching. So it's going to help you to build a income a lot quicker than anything else online. And I highly suggest you click on the link below this video and get on this webinar. Put your name and your email into the form. Give me your phone number so that way I could send you a text whenever we go live, and I could be in contact with you, because I definitely want to talk to you. I know you're watching this video looking for solutions, and I'm here to help. So, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link in the description for that as well, where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Also, if you want to get traffic, there's going to be a link to my traffic store below this video as well. The traffic store was created in this funnel builder tool as well. So you can create whatever you want to, and we can help you to do it, right? That's really the amazing thing about it. Just make sure you connect with me on Facebook. Make sure you reach out to me. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, concerns, or comments. If you leave your comment below, I will get back to you and I will help you. I will answer the question that you have as best as possible and be here to help. I'm looking forward to seeing you on your journey, having a lot of success. Peace and blessings to you, and talk to you soon.